Hello everyone, my name is Gundeep Singh and today we are going to discuss about how to make a website using AI. What are the advantages of making a website with AI? What are the disadvantages or trade-offs you will going to suffer while making a website with AI? So let's get into it very quickly. AI can save a lot of your time, it can save a lot of your money. AI will do the hard lifting and eventually you're going to have a very good website very quickly, right? So first thing is to pick the right AI website builder. One of the popular is Zyro, Durable, Hostinger AI Builder, Framer, and Wix ADI. ADI stands for Artificial Design Intelligence. Each tool pretty much works in a very similar way. It's a drag and drop system. You put the commands and you get basic templates, and then you play around with the templates, you do some basic things, and you have a pretty much basic website ready. Let's go step by step. So next step is basically deciding what is the website for. Is it a bakery? It's a local store? Is it pet shop? So you can put your website name, you can put your website details, the business you're into, what kind of colors do you want, what kind of pages do you want, home, about, contact, all the basic important pages, and voila, you have a basic template. Now let's enhance it. So first you need to do is change the text, change the AI text. You think that this is not making sense because it's not personalized, make it personalized. Put your content into it, replace the images with your business images because that will give you an edge over an AI based website. Add new pages, of course. Move the buttons around according to what you feel is right for you, and choose some different fonts and colors. Just don't rely on the output which is given by AI. It's the same way in ChatGPT. When we put something, we don't like the basic output, we tweak with it, and if you're not tweaking with AI, I think you're not using AI the best way possible. Similarly, in website building, do the same thing. Tweak it, make it your personal approach. Then do a check. Is the text easy to read? Can you click the buttons? Do the picture and the overall page is looking nice to you? Think as a user's perspective. If your user is coming on the website, would the user be satisfied with this flow? If yes, then that's the way to go. Now add more customizations to the website. If you're a local business, a very important thing is to embed your map, your GMB, your local business profile. Add a blog section because you might want to do SEO and other stuff. So you need to add blog sections, and maybe you want to add your personal content to it, right? So putting a blog section is a very good choice. Don't forget to make the content form. And in AI websites, that's a very big problem, that you get the design and stuff, but you don't know if the things are working. So make sure to use simplified things. Make sure that the contact form is working. Test it out, definitely. Put your email and see that you're getting the response. Put your friend's email, put your family email, and see that the responses are happening. Everything is coming to and fro properly. If you're an online store or trying to become an online store, then try to make an online store on your AI based website. Also, don't forget to put an online sign up box for your email subscribers. Try to gain email subscribers because that is a very important currency in digital world. Now, next step is connecting a domain. So here I would tell you that there are two ways to do it. One is that many platforms, especially like Hostinger, they have inbuilt domain name taker, so you can buy the domain from the AI based website builder. And the other part is that you buy a domain separately, something from GoDaddy or maybe Dynarod, which is registered ICANN providers, and then you can connect the domain. I would suggest to go with a dedicated domain provider. The reason is, when you make your websites with AI builders and then you connect and buy the domain from that specific tool, which is the AI builder, you buy the domain from that. When you try to actually do serious business, and when you try to scale and upscale, and when you try to maybe build your own stuff, your customized stuff, then when you try to move out from their technology, they try to kind of resist you. It's hard to get your domain out. It's not impossible, there are workarounds, but it's not very easy to do that. So I would suggest that buy the domain separately and then connect the domain. That's how you make a website with AI. Now let's talk about the advantages of this thing. Of course, this is fast. This is saving you a lot of money. If you are just trying out a business or maybe trying out an idea, this is the best way to go forward. Before hiring an agency like us or maybe a freelancer, I think this is the best way to test out the waters. You see that if this is working or not working. And if you think that this is making sense to you, then of course you can maybe scale up that website if that is possible. Otherwise, you can replicate the idea and get a customized proper website made. Now, why I'm saying this, why you cannot scale your website using the AI website you have. Understand this thing. It's nothing very much, intriguing or very surprising. Back in the day, we used to have templates, but still people used to come to agencies or website developers or website freelancers to build a very good website, right? Or maybe you can do it on your own. Maybe if you're tech savvy, you know that stuff, you want to get the control of the things, you make a website on your own. That's not a problem. The problem is that the AI websites are very much limited to the scalability. We've tried it actually for our client. On paper, it's a good thing. You just click, you just put your inputs and you have a website. That's a very good thing, actually, very good approach, I would say. But when we try to maybe do SEO on that, maybe try to do CRO, that is conversion rate optimization, we try to put heat maps. In short, if we try to do serious marketing on our AI based websites, I think that is where it is failing. It's very good on the papers. It is very good to test out your vision. Like if you have a vision, initially you used to make wireframes, right? From the wireframes you used to make a website. That part is totally skipped now. That is completely gone, and that is the evolution. You don't need to make and hire a person to make wireframes to visualize what you are thinking. You actually think, you actually type it, you whatever you give the prompt, you have that website and that vision ready. So that is a lot of time saving in the planning part. So understand this as a pre-planning stage. This is saving you costs of hiring someone to visualize your ideas and then getting the development done. Consider it that ways. But if you're a very small business, if this is going to be your first website, or you're just trying to come online and see how's the online world, I think this is a very good first step. If you see traction, if you see the results are coming, then you can maybe switch to a proper website, or maybe even you can sustain this website. Who knows that what's the future of AI websites and where it is going. I hope you like the video. Stay connected, and let's see you in the next video. Thank you.